Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to make a wonderful mouth-watering side dish with brinjal. Let's get started. Here we are having one big onion, one tomato, two slices of coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric, 1 inch of ginger, 1 whole garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns. First we need to grind all the ingredients, so that I am going to add all the ingredients into a mixie jar. Add everything together and grind it as a smooth paste. Now our ground paste is ready. Next we need to cut the brinjal. While cutting the brinjal, we always keep some water and add the brinjal into the water. Otherwise its color will change. Instead of cutting into small pieces, you can cut like this. Check inside of each and every brinjal, because you can see some insects inside the brinjal. That's all. Just keep it in the water. Next, switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now we can add the brinjal. Saute well until it turns to golden brown. Now it turns to golden brown, so that we can take the brinjals out. In the same oil, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it's cracked well, we can add our ground paste. Into this, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder and salt for taste. Saute well until the raw smell of masalas went off. Now the raw smell went off, so that I am going to add our fried brinjals. Mix it well. Now I am going to add some curry leaves and add 1 cup of water to cook the brinjal. Mix it well and close the lid. Let it be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame. Now 15 minutes over. Our brinjal also cooked very well. Now I am going to add some chopped coriander leaves. Give a nice mix and let it be cooked for a couple of minutes. Now the oil got separated from the gravy. Our brinjal also cooked very well. This is the right stage to switch off the stove. Now our mouth-watering brinjal curry is ready to serve. It's an excellent combo for all kind of variety rice and white rice. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.